Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your POCO X8 Pro Max. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port. So we all know that the microphone port is at the bottom right here. So we gotta clean it with a soft brush. We want to make sure that we really get in there and that we actually clean it. It's very important because we want to make sure that there's no dust in it, because dust can block the sound that we make. Now, after cleaning it, what you guys want to do is enter the microphone recording app. So you guys can search for it, or simply, if you have a folder system apps, you can click on the recorder. Here you start recording. Make sure that you click while using the app and allow to send the notifications. Now, if there's nothing in the AI speech recognition, then you know that your microphone is not working. But as you guys can see, it literally says every word that I say. So that's how I know that the microphone is working properly. So now what we can do is simply we can stop this, and now it will either save, or we can just delete it right here by holding it, by pressing delete. And if it's not working for you, what you guys want to do as a last resort here is update your software. So there's literally not much to do here. Maybe it's all just a software glitch. You guys can also try uninstalling some apps on your device, like bloatware, games, or the apps that you simply do not trust, because we all know that this one actually came with a lot of bloatware. So let's go to settings, go to about phone, and tap on Xiaomi HyperOS. As you guys can see, I am on the latest version. There are no updates available for me, but if you got an update available, make sure to do that. It's very important that you keep up with the latest version of the software so you don't have any old glitches laying around on your device and destroying your phone day by day. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.